People with diabetes have nearly double the risk of heart disease and are a great risk of developing mental health disorders such as depression. But most cases of type 2 diabetes are preventable and some can even be reversed. Being active, staying hydrated, and checking blood glucose levels can work wonders. It is important to stick to a dietary plan that will ward off diabetes in the long run. A recent study showed that antioxidant-rich walnuts can nearly halve the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. For patients, the ideal diabetic diet plan would be to have 1200 to 1600 calories per day. It is recommended that diabetics should eat good carbs, fats, and healthy proteins, but in small portions. Nuts and seeds. After news of walnuts as your new superfood to keep diabetes away, it's time to look to the other superhero nuts and seeds. They have protective effects for people with diabetes. Flax seeds or linseeds, almonds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, pistachios, cashew nuts, chia seeds, etc. are the best nuts and seeds for diabetics as they reduce and regulate the insulin levels in the body. Eggs. They are a good source of high biological value protein. Eggs have good cholesterol, also called as high-density lipoprotein HDL, which is good for heart health. Studies have shown that it improves insulin sensitivity. They give satiety and improve blood sugar levels. Turmeric. It has an active compound called curcumin which has shown to improve sugar, promote cardiovascular health and protect against kidney diseases. Wild salmon and omega-3 fatty acid fish. Salmon have excellent amount of omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which is good for diabetics. The patients need good fat in their diet and fish reduce inflammation and coronary risks which are common in diabetes. Cinnamon. It's a potent antioxidant and works like a hypoglycemic drug. One should restrict consumption of cassia cinnamon, which is poor variety and has coumarin. It is available in most grocery stores in India. If this variant is consumed in excess, it can have side effects. One should go for the Ceylon variant with less coumarin. Avocado. Rich, creamy and packed with beneficial monounsaturated fat, avocado slows digestion and helps keep blood sugar from spiking after a meal. A diet high in good fats may even help reverse insulin resistance, which translates to steadier blood sugar long term. Carrots. The type of sugar they contain is transformed into blood sugar quickly. The amount of sugar in carrots is extremely low. A good news that carrots are one of nature's richest sources of beta-carotene, which is linked to a lower risk of diabetes and better blood sugar control. Sweet potatoes. Choose a baked sweet potato instead of a baked white potato and your blood sugar will rise about 30% less. Sweet potatoes are packed with nutrients and disease-fighting fiber, almost 40% of which is the soluble kind that lowers cholesterol and slows digestion. Flaxseed. These shiny brown seeds hit the diabetes trifecta. They are rich in protein, fiber and good fats similar to the kind found in fish. They are also a source of magnesium and mineral that's key to blood sugar control because it helps cells use insulin. Beans. When menu planning, think bean cuisine at least twice a week. The soluble fiber in all types of beans, from chickpeas to kidney beans to even edamame, puts a lid on high blood sugar. And because they are rich in protein, beans can stand in for meat in main dishes. Just watch the sodium content. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.